before it gets all like.
Yeah, I mean, it's harmless, you know, harmless. You know, it's just regular white noodles inside, you know what I'm saying? Then we have, oh my lord, we got like everything right here. I think we should just put everything inside, like no cheating. So, shake these bad boys on up.
Off the corner.
Oh my gosh, I wonder if this one's gonna be spicy. Is this spicy?
Oh my God.
I don't know. My taste buds.
Pray for my sister's taste buds. And after you're done praying for my sister's taste buds, go ahead and click that subscribe button and like the video.
All right. You gotta go quick. We making a mess. Oh my gosh, we making a mess. Is this not spicy? Like, you know it's not hot when your lips can still touch. Wait a minute. What are you doing? I don't know about her. But my lips can touch. When they can touch, that means it ain't hot.
Why is it cricket? Did you break it? No, it's the stupid tripod. So we're back, and we have even spicier noodles this time. For the rules, you have to make the noodles and you gotta eat them, but they're super hot, so it makes it even harder. So whoever finishes the noodles first wins the challenge. Are you excited?
No.
I am. Okay, so you cut noodles.
Like regular top ramen. Wait. Oh my gosh, wait a minute. The noodles are thick. They're thick. That means it's gonna be like, oh my gosh, they're thick. Ah, look at all this hot stuff.
I'm excited. I'm ready. We're putting all of that in. All of that. You're always ahead of me because my noodles decide not to cooperate. Ooh, there's two.
Wait a minute, why does it look like my noodles are bleeding?
Yeah. Okay, ready?
Don't spill it. That's not enough water. We're gonna have to grab another with some majiggy right here.
I did a great job with not making a mess at all. Okay, let's warm up our noodles. We're taking the first bite.
Lord, bless our bellies, bless our throats, bless our lips, the roofs of our mouths, in Jesus' name.
That's hot for me.
Oh gosh.
It's heating up for me. I feel it down here. You feel it? Or is it not spicy? Because people are like, it's not spicy, it gets spicy. It's burning my
It is
tongue.
definitely spicy. It's spicier than the other noodles that we had.
It's burning my gums. They're like stinging. My gums sting. You like them. I think it's you who needs to approve, not me.
What do you mean?
Because I think they're spicy.
What do you mean? What do you mean you think I have to approve?
Because you like have a different spice tolerance than I do.
Let me tell you something. I can't say how my tolerance is because guess what, guys? I don't like spicy food, so this is trippy.
It's not spicy to you.
No, it's spicy. It's not doing. I have to keep eating it. That's what I have to do. It's definitely doing that thing where I have to go like that. The other one, I didn't have to do that. Oh yeah.
Good. And then
It is spicy. It is definitely spicy now. It's kicking in.
Ow! It hurts. It hurts so bad. It burns when.
The more you keep chewing, the more it hurts. My lips can't touch.
It burns so bad.
Your lips look like they burn. My lips hurt. My lips can't touch each other. Can your lips touch each other?
You're breathing. I'm sweating. My back. I feel it's hot. Is it hot?
I don't know, Mom. I think it's just you. The roof of my tongue. Probably not affecting me that much because I prayed. Thank you, Jesus. Just kidding. It burns. Burns. Annie, are you okay? I'm not okay. And the rules, we have to drink the juice. Just kidding. It's hot. We should go eat these outside.
You thought.
Oh, it hurts so bad. I'm so weak. I can't speak. How do you feel?
Like I'm in a volcano.
That's nasty. We found at the same time. What the heck? Wait. These noodles are disgusting. I don't like the fact that the noodles are so fat. I felt like,
It was gross.
I mean, nasty.
Like the first bite, it was okay, but it got worse.
Thank you for tuning into part 2 of our attempt to do the spicy noodle challenge. I hate spicy food. At the beginning of this part 2 spicy noodle challenge, I was a little scared because I didn't think it was gonna be spicy because it wasn't hitting me fast. But it hit me and it don't taste good. It is spicy and the roof of my tongue and my taste buds are on fire. Really, mama. So anyways, guys, I'll catch you in my next video. Bye-bye.
Bye!
You can't.